A lot of people think that immigration officers just approve or deny cases based on a quick look, but that's not how it works because every application goes through a structured review process. And understanding that can help you avoid mistakes that would slow things down or even result in a rejection of your application. First, officers start with an eligibility checklist. They have to verify that you meet the basic requirements for the benefit that you're seeking. This includes procedural things like making sure you use the correct form, whether it was timely filed if there's a deadline associated with it, and whether all the required fees and documents have been included with your application. If something is missing at this initial stage, then it can be flagged to where you could get a request for evidence to provide the missing information. And it can sometimes even result in a rejection where your application is sent back to you and you're asked to provide the missing information. And a rejection means that your case is not in the system. So until you send it back, you don't have a case pending. So after that is document verification. This is where they check your supporting documents and they want to make sure that what you've provided is consistent and lines up with your actual application as well as other applications you may have filed in the past. Even small inconsistencies like mismatched dates or even incomplete records can really slow down processing. After that comes background and security screening. These checks run through multiple systems that the government has in order to ensure that they can get the best picture they have on you. So if anything unusual appears in the case, it can go into even further, more detailed review. So ultimately, a case can be approved if everything is complete, consistent, and you meet the eligibility requirements. So the key takeaway here is that delays or rejections don't just come from major issues, but can come from very small issues like minor inconsistencies or incomplete documents. For more immigration news and information, feel free to give us a follow.